back to my channel. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Today I am back with a hair tutorial, but before we get started I wanted to say welcome if you guys are new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. So if you love any of that, make sure to consider subscribing to my channel. Also click that notification bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. And check out my blog. It's FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. I post a lot of like pictures and videos, and I just love to blog and just like create different blog posts on like decor and stuff like that. I also want to let you guys know that I will be opening an Etsy shop very soon, so I'm very excited about that. It'll have like a lot of like decor items that are handmade, as well as like YouTube banners and intros. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. I think the last time I had bangs was about 10 years ago, which is so crazy. So this is like a great thing to do because you can just literally have bangs in less than an instant. If you don't want them, take them off and you're like all set. So this is like such a cool thing. It's called Bangs Clip-In Bangs by Hairdo. And actually OCTOLY and Hairdo sent this out to me so that I could try it out, review it for you guys. I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to try these. They do come in like multiple colors. The color that I chose is ginger brown, and I'm not 100% sure if it really like matches my hair. It's kind of tricky because I do have like a balayage, so it's definitely, you know, darker on the top and lighter on the bottom. So I think it kind of like mixes in, but if you have like just one color, then you're all set. It's going to look like super natural. But I wanted to try these out. I thought it was like really fun. Let me show you guys what they look like. So basically it comes like in a box that looks like this, and it's just like a piece. And the piece has like little clips. So it clips into your hair super easy, and it has 3 of them. And all you have to do is just style your hair the way you want it, and then just put this on and you have like instant bangs, which I thought was super cool, you guys. I will clip in these bangs so you guys can see how awesome they look.